Hi everyone, it's Linda here from Memories and Photos. Now, all you need for these, if you're a craft dealer you'll have this, all you need for these is some paper and, well, not even glue, you can do it without glue. Paper and a pair of scissors and a ruler. Okay, so it's very simple to do, and in fact if you're trying to entertain children, it's simple enough for them to do. So I'm going to reach behind here and I'm going to show you what they look like. So here's the first one. Okay, it's got a top and a bottom. So that's, I'm doing this one-handed because I'm holding the tablet with the other hand. I've done a littler version. There you go. So I'm going to attempt to switch over and go overhead, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So here are my gift boxes. So all you need is a square piece or two square pieces of paper. Okay, so I'm going to move these out the way in true Blue Peter fashion. I'm going to bring in my square piece of paper. Here we go. Now this one, if you're in old money, it's 8 by 8. What's that, 20 centimetres? So any square piece of paper will do. Okay, obviously the bigger the piece of paper, the bigger the box. If you want a tiny box, do a tiny piece of paper. Now, bear with me, I know on a Sunday afternoon we want to relax our brains, but your box will be a quarter of the size of the piece of paper. So this is going to be quite a small box by the time I've finished. Okay, so that's all we need the ruler for, just to check. So this is going to be, well, we're going to do one for the bottom and one for the lid. Now I'm just going to show you how this works. So here's one I made earlier, and it comes apart. So you've got a bottom and a top. Okay, and they just slot inside each other. Now, here's the important thing. In order to make one slot inside the other, you've got to make the base slightly smaller. So we have two 8 by 8 pieces of paper. I'm going to use this one as the base, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my trimmer, and I'm going to take off about 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 centimetre on that side, and the same on that side. So we are cutting 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 centimetre off two sides. That is all you need to do, and that will make the square slightly smaller. Okay, so this is going to be our base. Okay, so here's what you do. You're going to fold the corners together. Now the best way to do this is to hold the corners in place. Okay. Just make a mark so you know where the middle is. There we go. Right, so there's the middle. Just so that we've got a mark. You can mark it in pencil if you wish. Okay. Then we're going to fold our corners into the middle like this. Okay. And then we're going to hold the point and we're going to fold the corner again. Now it's really important that you're accurate with this, otherwise you'll find it really difficult to make your box. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then we undo it, and then we're going to do the same the other way. If you find it easier with a pencil mark, you can make a pencil mark in the middle. Okay, there we go. Right. Now when you open it up, you'll see that there's some lines both ways. Hopefully that comes out. I'm going to let me draw it in. Hopefully it's easy. So the creases we want are here and here. Here and here. They're the only ones we need to cut. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut, and I'm going to leave this square in the middle, which is the base of the box. So we cut here down the crease. Okay, like that. So you end up with two kind of tongues and two arrows. Okay, so the next step is to fold it together. So we're going to bring the side ones, not the tongue, bring the side ones in like this, and then we're going to fold the edges up, and we're going to fold them together, and then all we have to do is bring the tongue over the top. And there's your box. Now if you're lucky and your paper's quite stiff, it will stay there without glue. You can put a little square inside to make it look neat, or you could just dab a little bit of glue on it, but that is basically it. So if I do the same with the other one, very quickly I'll find the middle just by folding it corner to corner. That finds the middle. Fold the edges in. And the other way. Okay, cut. Fold the edges in. People sometimes go wrong, they don't fold it in far enough. You have to fold it right down to the cut. So right down to there. Bring those in and the flap over the top. And there we have our box. Now, the question is, do they fit together? There you go. You can put a ribbon around it, decorate it, whatever you would like. There you go. Right. I hope you found that useful. Have a go. See how you get on. You could try all different kinds of papers. It works well with stiff paper. If it's too thick, it's quite a trial to fold it in the right place. So thick paper. You could try it with other things like thick wrapping paper or pages out of books, or maybe map pages if you've got old maps that you're not using. There's all kinds of things you could recycle. So yeah, have a go, and I hope you enjoy making them. I will see you again soon. And in the meantime, do say hello in the group and post up whatever pictures you're doing. I'd love to see what you're up to. See you soon. Bye bye.